Well, I
7,
know a
8.
place where love comes easy, and I know a woman who meets me there. She takes my hand and gently leads me, and we go up to the room at the top of the stairs. I close the door and she pulls the curtain. When we make love, it's a private affair. I've been around and I know for certain there ain't no room like the room at the top of the stairs. When we climb up the stairway to heaven, we find love waiting there, right at home. Just me and my baby. The loving's good in the room at the top of the stairs. When we climb up the stairway to heaven, we find love waiting there, right at home. Just me and my baby. Oh, loving's good in the room at the top of the stairs. Yeah, I know a place where love comes easy, and I know a woman who meets me there. She takes my hand and gently leads me, and we go up to the room at the top of the stairs. 'Cause the loving's good in the room at the top of the stairs.
This dance is Private Affair, choreographed by Jennifer Chu Su Chin. It's a 32 count, 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the left foot, big step back, hold, drag right, back, together, step, lock, step, step forward, pivot a quarter turn right. Section 2, cross, shuffle, side rock, recover, cross, shuffle. Make a quarter turn right, stepping back on left. Make a half turn right, stepping forward on right. Section 3, big step forward, dragging right. Step right to right diagonal, sway hips forward, back, forward, hold. Step forward on left, pivot a half turn right. Last section, make another half turn right, stepping back on left, sweep right from front to back, behind, side, cross, sweep, cross, make a quarter turn left, stepping back on right. And you start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance.